Imagine sending a quick message without waiting for the other person to reply. That's exactly how UDP works. It sends data fast without checking if it arrives safely. This makes it perfect for things like live video or gaming. This is where speed matters more than perfection. UDP shows how the internet delivers information instantly in real time. UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, is a quick and simple way computers send messages over the internet. It does not check if the message got there or sent in the right order. UDP just sends the data and moves on. This makes it very fast, but less reliable than TCP. Here are some important points to take note of about UDP. UDP is connectionless. This means it doesn't make a handshake before sending data. It has a very small header, only 8 bytes, which keeps it lightweight. UDP doesn't guarantee delivery, so some data might get lost. It doesn't reorder data. Packets might arrive out of sequence. UDP does basic error checking via checksums, but does not fix errors. It supports broadcasting, sending data to many devices at once. Many real-time apps like gaming and live video use UDP for speed. DNS and DHCP protocols rely on UDP for quick queries and responses. UDP doesn't control congestion, so it can flood a network if unchecked. It's vulnerable to certain attacks like UDP floods used in DDoS attacks. Here's an example to help you understand better. When playing an online shooting game, UDP sends your position and actions quickly. If a data packet is lost, the game moves on without waiting to resend. So, the game feels smooth and responsive. Think of UDP as sending postcards. You write a message and drop it in the mailbox. You don't check if it reaches the friend or if they read it in order. It's fast and simple, but can sometimes get lost. UDP is perfect for cases where speed matters more than perfect delivery. It allows quick sharing of data like voice, video, and game moves, making online experiences lively in real time.
Simply click the link below to learn more.